I'm Alani, and today we have a very special guest, Mayor Vilma Cuellar Stallings.
Well, hello everyone. I'm back to cook again. So I'm going to be making puerco with calabacita or también con papitas. So let's get started. This is my mom's recipe. I kind of made it a little more American style. I took shortcuts and tried to make it easier for myself when I used to work full-time and had a family. My mom did everything the old-fashioned way, but I tried to do little shortcuts. But anyway, I still use Crisco shortening because it makes the meat taste better. You can hear it sizzle a little bit. And that's what you want. You want it to sizzle. A little bit more manteca or shortening or whatever. So, because I need some for my onions to kind of get browned. Because my mom said it to give it flavor. And pork meat has to be cooked well, so make sure the inside is white. And see how it's coming kind of toasting, kind of brownish. You want that, because that's what's going to give you flavor. And this is going to give it a little bit of flavor. And my mom taught me that you have to have it kind of get a little brown on the bottom of the front of the pan, because that's going to make your sauce. I had my mama's molcajete, and the molcajete is probably maybe about 80 years old or longer. So anyway, this was my mom's, and she handed it over to me, and I'll probably hand it over to my granddaughters. I don't know which one yet, but one of them. Then I use stewed tomatoes, Mexican style, but usually I get the juice from the stewed tomatoes and pour it in. Just pour it in there. Just a few shakes here and there. Shake. And with the steam, this is going to cook. And then you get the grandkids to eat some vegetables. Your kids, your family, your husband. And now I'm just going to let it simmer. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Please stay tuned for our next episode of Cooking with the Community and Cooking with Lilani. And I just want to say that you can make this dish. It doesn't have to be with pork. You can make it with chicken. You can make it with hamburger meat. You can make it vegetarian if you want, and it still has the same flavoring. So anyway, and make sure you get frijoles de la olla, or you can add that if you want. And anyway, thank you for allowing me to come to your house. I really appreciate it. You're welcome to come to my house. Mi casa es su casa. and God bless. And I just want Leilani and I to say one thing to our community, that we are paramount.